How to lock Binance App iPhone? Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to lock the Binance app on your iPhone for enhanced security. Keeping your Binance account secure is crucial, especially when dealing with cryptocurrency. By enabling a lock, you can prevent unauthorized access and ensure that only you can open the app. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. Begin by opening the Binance app. Ensure that you're logged into your account so you can access all the necessary settings. Once inside the app, direct your attention to the top left corner of the screen where you'll find a small icon. Tap on it to open the main menu. This will bring up a list of various account-related options. At the very top of this menu, you'll notice your nickname or profile name. Tap on it to proceed to the next step. Now that you've entered the account info page, look for an option labeled Security. This is where you'll be able to manage your security settings, including the auto lock feature. Tap on Security to move forward. Once inside the security settings, scroll down until you come across an option called Auto Lock. This feature allows you to set a time limit for when the app will automatically lock itself after a period of inactivity. Tap on Auto Lock to open its settings. Here, tap on any option as per your preferences. Then you'll be presented with multiple auto lock duration options. These include immediately, 1 minute, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 30 minutes, and 1 hour. Selecting a shorter duration ensures that your Binance account remains secure, especially if you frequently handle sensitive information. For maximum security, it is highly recommended that you choose the immediately option. This means that as soon as you exit the app or switch to another task, Binance will automatically lock itself, preventing unauthorized access. By enabling this setting, you're adding an extra layer of protection to your Binance account, reducing the risk of anyone accessing your account without permission. With this setting enabled, the Binance app will automatically lock itself as soon as you exit or switch to another app, ensuring that no one else can access your account without proper authentication. Now that you've successfully set up your preferred auto lock duration, it's a good idea to test it out to make sure it's working as expected. Go ahead and close the Binance app completely. After a moment, reopen it, and you should immediately see a security prompt asking for authentication. Since Binance supports biometric security on iPhones, you will likely receive a pop-up requesting Face ID verification to unlock the app. If prompted, grant the necessary permission so that Binance can use Face ID for seamless authentication in the future. From now on, every time you exit and reopen the Binance app, depending on your selected auto lock duration, you'll need to verify your identity using Face ID before you can access any features or account information. This added layer of security ensures that even if someone gets access to your device, they won't be able to open Binance without your biometric approval. And that brings us to the end of this tutorial. If you have any questions about this process or run into any issues, feel free to drop a comment in the section below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more step-by-step tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have an amazing day.